Hello guys, come with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Okay, this time I want to talk about the Houston car accident lawyer. How much do you get for fine and suffering in a Houston car accident? When it comes to calculating your car accident emails, you need to address the Houston car accident today. We can review medical bills, pay statement, and other documents. Showing expense waiver states also allow many Houston car accident victims to recover for fine and suffering they experience as a result of their injuries. So how do you put the number on your intangible fine and suffering? Our Houston Auto Accident Attorney can help. Why let us help you. The free virtual consultation and our response to the coronavirus. Ada coronavirus baru, COVID-19.
Apa emang? Sikil kena kan?
Yo kena. Where can you find our Houston car accident lawyer near you? At Stewart Seagulls, we have a 20-year track record of successful injury car accident victim in Houston fought their life back together again. Our Houston Auto accident lawyer have collection million innocent month and numbers for our claim, and we are ready to put our skills and experience to work for you. You need someone on your side who can fight the legal battles for you, so you can focus on what truly matters, getting your life back. Ini sudah ditulis di sini. We know where it is to win, and we get response. You can see.
Biangko.
Good accident injury lawyer in Houston are playing full. However, you need someone on your side that will take the time. However, you need someone on your side that will the them to truly get to know you and your case. At Stewart Seagulls, we will give you the personalized care and attention you deserve from the very start. If you live in Houston, we have three an office for you to go from. Our principal office is located at Jones Road, just a few blocks from Park and in between Ground Road and Creos North Houston Road. If you live in the Wardlands, Springers, Jersey Villas, or Aldian, getting to our office is a place. Our downtown Houston office is located at the office in between the Trader District Station and Central Station Mine. We are also just a few blocks from Houston City Hall and some Houston Park. Our Northwest Houston office is located on Love Beaches of and just a few blocks from Memorial Hermann Kirchhoff Hospital. Next, we can help you file a Houston car accident lawsuit. While many car accident claims settle during the insurance process, some insurance companies simply refuse to make the wreck over. This is especially in cases involve particularly catastrophic injuries and long-term disability. When this happens, injury Houston car accident victim affects. Hey, I often want to know, and I saw someone for a car accident, will they provide you to accept an offer that won't cover all of your loss? Instead, we will play hardball with the insurance company by billing a personal injury lawsuit. Most people have never filed a lawsuit or had involvement with the stable court system before. They might not understand the claims process and what indeed entails. Because of this, it is understandable to be limited never says about filing a lawsuit going to court. Can seem daunting and many people where they will have to take the witness stand and testify in open court and in front of the person who heard them. With the right legal representation, a car crash lawsuit is nothing to fear or Houston car accident. Lawyers will explain as and every aspect of the legal process to you and will handle all steps of the personal injury litigation. Well, so you do after Houston car accident, there is no doubt that even a car crash in Houston can shake you up before the authorities arrive. Everyone informed might wonder what to do. Well, you don't need any additional stress in this situation. There are certain things you can do to help any future claims. In some situations, serious injury might prevent you from taking any action after an accident. In some situations, serious injuries may prevent you from taking any action after an accident.
SAO.
Our host accident lawyer can perform most, if not all, of the tasks for you because you are from that season, self and will handle this. Okay guys, this is our discussion about Houston car accident lawyer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. See you next time.